Let me tell you something nobody says out loud enough. The biggest lie on the internet is that you need money to make money. You do not. Not anymore. Not in 2026. Because right now, at this exact moment, there are thousands of regular people earning real income online using nothing but a smartphone, a free Wi-Fi connection, and a skill they either already have or learned in a single weekend.
A student in Karachi is writing product descriptions for a client in Canada, earning $300 a week from his bedroom. A mother in Lagos is selling digital templates on Etsy, making $800 a month while her kids nap. A teenager in Michigan is running a faceless YouTube channel about finance and just hit his first $1,000 month. None of them invested a single dollar to start, not one.
What changed? The internet got smarter. Free tools got more powerful. Platforms that pay creators, freelancers, and sellers exploded in size. And the old rule, you need money to start a business, got completely destroyed. Today, the only things standing between you and your first dollar online are information and action. You now have the information. The action is up to you.
This article is your complete guide to making money online with zero investment, split into 3 sections, each packed with real methods, real numbers, and a simple explanation a 10-year-old could follow. By the time you finish reading, you will know exactly what to do, which tool to use, and how to make your very first dollar online, for free.
Section 1. Sell your skills. Get paid for what you already know. Your brain is your business, and it costs absolutely nothing to start. Here is the most powerful truth in this entire article. You already have skills people will pay for online, right now, today, before you learn a single new thing. Can you write? Type fast? Speak clearly, explain things simply, use Microsoft Word, browse the internet, organize information? Congratulations, you are already qualified for multiple online income methods that pay real money. Freelancing. Turn your skills into a paying service. Freelancing means offering your skills as a service to clients online and getting paid for each job you complete. No employer, no fixed hours, no office, just you, your skill, and a client who needs something done. The most in-demand freelance skills in 2026 require zero investment to start. Writing and editing, graphic design using free tools like Canva, social media management, data entry, translation, video editing, virtual assistants, and customer support. Every single one of these can be learned from free YouTube tutorials in a week or less. Where do you find clients? Fiverr and Upwork are the 2 biggest freelance platforms in the world, and both are completely free to join. You create a profile, describe your service, set your price, and wait for orders. Beginners typically earn $5 to $50 per job. As you build reviews and reputation, rates climb quickly. Experienced freelancers on these platforms regularly charge $50 to $200 per hour.
Content writing is one of the most accessible zero-investment income methods online. Every single business, blog, and website on the internet needs fresh written content constantly, and most of them are willing to pay good money for someone who can write clearly and deliver on time. You do not need to be a professional journalist. You do not need a writing degree. You need to write clearly, research topics properly, and meet deadlines. That is it. Beginner content writers earn $15 to $30 per article. Intermediate writers earn $50 to $150. Specialized writers covering topics like finance, technology, health, or law earn $200 to $500 per article. Platforms to find your first writing jobs: Fiverr, Upwork, ProBlogger Job Board, Contena, and iWriter. Start by picking 2 or 3 topics you know well: your school subjects, your hobbies, your daily experiences. Write 3 sample articles on those topics. Those samples become your portfolio. Your portfolio gets you your first client. Your first client gets you your first review, and reviews gets you everything else.
Online tutoring. Teach what you know. If you are good at any subject, mathematics, English, science, history, coding, a foreign language, music, or even a hobby skill, you can get paid to teach it online. Online tutoring is one of the fastest zero-investment income methods because your students pay you by the hour, the sessions are short, and you can start within days of signing up. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, Preply, and Wyzan connect tutors with students from around the world. Rates start at $15 per hour for beginners and regularly reach $50 to $100 per hour for experienced tutors in high-demand subjects like SAT prep, coding, or university-level mathematics. The beautiful thing about tutoring is that your students come back week after week. One student who books 2 sessions per week at $25 each is $200 per month from a single relationship. Build 10 of those relationships, and tutoring becomes a stable, reliable, and completely investment-free income stream.
Microtask platforms. Earn your first online dollar today. If you want proof, actual, real, tangible proof that making money online is possible before you invest weeks learning a new skill, microtask platforms are your answer. These are websites that pay you small amounts for completing simple tasks that anyone can do. Filling out surveys, testing apps and websites, watching short videos, labeling images, transcribing audio, and giving feedback on products. The biggest platforms are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, User Testing, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Prolific. A single 15 to 20-minute website test on user testing pays $10. Prolific maintains a minimum rate of $8 per hour for all studies. Most users earn $50 to $200 per month doing microtasks in spare time. Will microtasks make you rich? No, but that is not their purpose. Their purpose is to give you your very first real online earnings, to prove to your own brain that this is real and possible. That first payout feels incredible and is almost always the spark that motivates people to pursue bigger income methods. Think of microtasks as your training wheels.
The golden rule of Section 1. Do not try to do all 4 of these at once. Pick the one that matches your strongest skill right now. Spend 1 week learning it, 1 week creating a profile or portfolio, and 1 week applying for your first job or signing up for your first platform. That is 3 weeks to your first dollar. Most people quit before week 3. Do not be most people.
Section 2. Build and sell online. Create things once, earn forever. The internet never sleeps. Your online store does not close at 9 p.m. Section 1 was about trading your time for money. Work 1 hour, get paid for 1 hour. Section 2 is different. These methods let you create something once and sell it over and over again to hundreds or thousands of people without doing any additional work. This is where online income starts to feel truly powerful. Selling digital products. Make it once, sell it thousands of times. A digital product is any file or piece of content that can be downloaded or accessed online. Ebooks, PDF guides, printable planners, resume templates, social media templates, study guides, coloring pages, budget spreadsheets, recipe books. The list is virtually endless. Here is the most beautiful part of digital products. You create the file one time. You upload it to a platform like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, all of which are free to join. You set your price, and then that same file gets sold to customer after customer after customer, generating income long after you have moved on to creating your next product. Successful digital product sellers on Etsy regularly earn $500 to $5,000 per month from products they created months or years ago. The startup cost? $0. Canva is free. Etsy charges just 20 cents per listing. Gumroad is completely free to start. Your entire investment is a few hours of creativity.
Print on demand. Design products you never touch or ship. Print on demand is one of the most genuinely zero-investment online businesses available. Here's how it works in the simplest possible terms. You design something using free Canva, a funny quote, a cool illustration, a cute cartoon, an inspirational message. You upload that design to a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, TeePublic, or Printful. When someone buys a product featuring your design, a t-shirt, a mug, a phone case, a poster, the platform prints it, packages it, ships it, and handles customer service. You collect your royalty and never touch the product once. The niches that sell best right now are funny quotes for specific professions, cute animal illustrations, motivational phrases, hobby-specific designs, gaming, gardening, fitness, reading, and designs for specific communities like nurses, teachers, dog owners, and new parents. The more specific your niche, the more passionate and loyal your buyers. One design can earn royalties for years. 10 designs means 10 income streams. 100 designs means a serious passive income business, all built with free tools, zero investment, and nothing but your creativity.
Affiliate marketing. Recommend things and earn commissions. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate zero investment income model. You do not create a product, you do not handle orders, you do not deal with customers. You simply recommend products you genuinely like using a special tracking link and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Amazon Associates is the biggest and most beginner-friendly affiliate program in the world. It is completely free to join. You pick products you know and love. You share your affiliate link in blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even WhatsApp groups. Every purchase made through your link earns you between 1% and 10% commission. But Amazon is just the beginning. Software companies often pay 20 to 50% recurring monthly commission. Some programs pay $50, $100, or even $500 per single referral. Platforms like ShareASale, Impact, and ClickBank connect you with hundreds of companies eager to pay you for sending them customers. The most important ingredient in affiliate marketing is trust. A small audience of 500 genuinely engaged followers earns far more than a random audience of 50,000 people who do not care about your recommendations.
Blogging, build an audience that pays you. A blog is a website where you regularly publish useful, interesting, or entertaining written content about a specific topic. Google sends people to your blog for free. Those people read your content, click your affiliate links, see your ads, or buy your digital products. You earn money from every single visit without paying for a single advertisement. Starting a blog with zero investment is completely possible using free platforms like Blogger or Medium. While having your own domain and hosting is better long-term, you can start building an audience, writing SEO-optimized content, and earning affiliate commissions entirely for free while you save up for the upgrade. The key to a successful blog in 2026 is specificity. Not fitness, but home workouts for busy moms over 40. Not food, but 5-ingredient Pakistani recipes for students. The narrower your focus, the more loyal your readers, the higher your conversion rate, and the faster you grow. Blogs built on specific niches regularly earn $500 to $10,000 per month once they gain traction, from a combination of ads, affiliate links, and digital product sales.
The golden rule of Section 2. These methods take longer to generate income than Section 1, typically 30 to 90 days before your first sale. But once they start earning, they do not stop. A digital product listed today can still sell 5 years from now. A blog post published today can still earn affiliate commissions for the next decade. You are not just making money, you are building assets. Section 3. Show up and get paid. Build an audience, earn from attention. In 2026, attention is currency, and anyone can earn it. Sections 1 and 2 covered skills and products. Section 3 is about something different, building an audience. When people follow you, watch you, read you, or listen to you consistently, multiple income streams open up automatically. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, digital products, donations, memberships. The bigger your audience, the more every single one of these multiplies. YouTube, the platform that pays you forever. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Every single day, billions of people search YouTube for answers, entertainment, tutorials, and information. And here is the incredible part. Starting a YouTube channel costs absolutely nothing. Your phone camera is enough to begin. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you monthly through AdSense. But the real money comes from layers on top of that. Brand sponsorships, affiliate links and descriptions, selling your own digital products to your audience, and channel memberships. You do not need to be on camera.
Faceless channels covering finance, history, science, true crime, and AI are earning $1,000 to $10,000 per day in 2026 using stock footage, AI voiceovers from 11 Labs, and scripts written with ChatGPT. The face-free format removes every excuse and opens YouTube to absolutely anyone, regardless of appearance, confidence, or camera access.
Social media content creation? Build a following and monetize it. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and LinkedIn are not just entertainment platforms, they are income platforms. Creators who build genuine, engaged followings in specific niches earn money through brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling their own products, and platform creator funds that pay directly for views and engagement. The secret to building a monetizable social media following in 2026 is ruthless consistency in a specific niche. Not posting about everything, posting about one thing, for one audience, on one platform, every single day. A cooking account that posts 5 Pakistani recipes every week. A finance account that explains one money tip every day. A fitness account that shows one 10-minute home workout every morning. Consistency in a niche builds trust. Trust builds following. Following builds income. You do not need thousands of followers to start earning. Micro-influencers with just 1,000 to 10,000 highly engaged followers in specific niches regularly earn $500 to $2,000 per month from affiliate links and small brand deals without a single dollar invested in growing their account.
Freelance teaching and online courses. Package your knowledge. If you know something that other people want to learn, you can package that knowledge into an online course and sell it forever. Course platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and even YouTube itself allow you to create and sell courses with zero upfront investment. What can you teach? Anything you know that someone else wants to know. English grammar for non-native speakers, how to use Canva for beginners, how to prepare for a job interview, how to cook a specific cuisine, how to manage personal finances on a student budget, how to learn basic coding, how to improve handwriting. The more specific and practical the course, the better it sells. A course priced at $29 that sells just 4 times a day generates $116 daily, over $3,400 a month, completely passively. Create the course once, record the videos once, upload it once, then let students discover it through Google, YouTube, or social media while you work on your next course or enjoy your free time.
Email list building, the most valuable asset you can build for free. This is the one method most beginners overlook entirely, and it is arguably the most powerful thing on this entire list. An email list is a collection of people who have voluntarily given you their email address because they want to hear from you. Unlike social media followers, your email list cannot be taken away by an algorithm change. Unlike YouTube subscribers, your emails land directly in your audience's inbox. No platform, no algorithm, just you and your reader. Building an email list costs $0. Free tools like MailChimp allow you to collect and email up to 500 subscribers completely free. You grow your list by offering something valuable for free: a useful PDF guide, a checklist, a mini ebook, a free template, in exchange for an email address. Once you have even 500 engaged email subscribers, you have a business. You can sell them your digital products, you can recommend affiliate products and earn commissions, you can offer paid newsletters, you can promote your courses, your services, or your YouTube channel. Marketers consistently say that email converts at 5 to 10 times the rate of social media. An email list of 1,000 people is worth more than an Instagram following of 10,000.
The golden rule of Section 3. Building an audience takes the longest of all 3 sections, typically 3 to 6 months before significant income, but it also scales the highest. A freelancer trades time for money and hits a ceiling. An audience builder creates a platform that earns from multiple sources simultaneously with no ceiling whatsoever. Think of Section 3 as planting the biggest tree in your financial garden. It grows slowly, but when it matures, it shades everything else you build.